Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to this special episode where I am going to show you how I handle low VIX environment. And in fact, in 2013, the India VIX was very low and I created a lot of positions and I always sell both call options and put options. Those days, I am not very experienced or very skilled person. So in India, as and when you say option selling, people think it's a short strangle only, and I was doing that one only. And then because of this taper tantrum in 2013, and the India VIX shot up, and one particular day, the Nifty closed exactly same place as the previous day, but the VIX was shot up, and the premium shot up both sides. And there was an MTM loss of 1 crore. So then I learned one thing, that during the low VIX environment, people sell options, and after that, if there is increase in the VIX, they will tend to lose a lot of money. Then I realized that during the low VIX environment, I have to do a mix of both buy and sell. And that is the right strategy. So during that time, I developed one strategy. So that is what I'm going to share with you today. And you know that last 1 month already, the India VIX is very low. 3 months before, it was around 25. And 1 month before, it has already come to 15. Now, we thought 15 is a low VIX. Then from there, again, it has come to below 12. And as of Friday, 16th of July, the VIX is 11.70, which is a multi-year low. So in fact, the strategy I'm going to discuss, I've already mentioned in one of my videos. I don't remember it's a pre-market report or post-market report. In one of the videos, I just mentioned. And I said, I sold 16,000 put option in July series and bought 16,000 put option in December series. That is nothing but calendar spread. Put calendar spread, people call it. And I always say, successful people don't do different things, but they do things differently. Just because PR Sundar is successful in stock market, and people think that he has got some magic formula to know whether the market will go up or will go down. And still, let me tell you, there are many people believe that I am a very good technical analyst. I just don't want to share my technical, and that's why I keep saying, technical analysis is bullshit, all these things. But let me tell you, I'm really telling you, I don't know anything about technicals. I don't have any magic formula. What all I have is just a common sense. And common sense is not so common in India, and not only in India, everywhere in the world. Okay, so in the low VIX environment, any good news or any bad news, the VIX can shoot up and the premium can shoot up. And that is why the option sellers lose a lot of money. So my learning point is that I always keep some buy and some sell. That's number one. And the put calendar, normally what the people do, they sell at the money put calendar, but I don't do at the money put calendar. I sell in the money put calendar. 1 month before, Nifty was around 15,700, 15,800. And I sold 16,000 put option, which is in the money. And another thing what generally people do, while selling the put calendar, people sell current month and buy the next month. The next month is bought for the purpose of hedging. So normally what I do, instead of buying it in the next month, I buy in the December month, which is far away. So I'm going to show you, I don't remember exactly when I did this strategy, but I'm going to show you if anyone has done about 3 weeks before, what is the result today. Now look here. So this is index option, Nifty 50, year 2021, expiry, July expiry, put option 16,000 for the last 30 days. I got the data, and you can see this is the last expiry. 24th June was the last expiry, and that day it was traded around 350. And As of today, it is trading around 150. So if anyone has sold 16,000 put option 3 weeks before at 350, now it is 150, there is a profit of 200 rupees. So 200 rupees is the profit. That is because the market has gone up. How do we know that market will go up? There can be some bad news, market can fall. So as a hedge, what I did, what one should have done, so must buy the put option in the December series. So this is the December series and same put option. I get the data and you see on 24th of June, so it was trading around 580 and now it is trading around 490. So 580 to 490, so that means there is a loss of about 90 rupees. So had you sold 16,000 put option in July and had you bought 16,000 put option in December as a hedge, is a put calendar, you would have gained 200 rupees in July put option and you would have lost 90 rupees in December option. So thereby your net profit is 110 rupees. Net profit 110 rupees translates into more than 5,000 rupees as a profit for one lot. The biggest advantage in this put calendar, you have one buy, one sell. So even if market crashes, you don't have to worry much. There will be loss, but the loss will be very, very limited. But the margin for this is very, very low. I think the margin would have been maximum 50,000 rupees. So for a 50,000 investment, in just 3 weeks, market has given more than 5,000 rupees profit, which is just 10% return in 3 weeks. Considering that this is a hedged position, so 10% return in 3 weeks is an extraordinary return. Then you may ask one question, sir, you are giving all kinds of gyans by looking at the NSE option chain. Just like so many people give gyans through Excel sheet, Excel traders. Sir, have you done it? Okay. Now I'm going to show my back office. So this is one company where I'm trading and here this is a back office. I'm going to the back office. I'm going to F&O segment and reports on profit loss report. So I can just take out all the data first and then I have to download this into Excel sheet. Sometimes these back offices don't work properly. No, so this is not working. Excel is not working. So I'm saving this as a PDF. So I open this file. So this is very small. So I make it bigger for you and then Control F. So I'm just showing 16,000. Yeah. You can see here option index Nifty 29th July 16,000 put option. I sold 1,250 quantity and I sold around 4,93,000 rupees and I covered it and I made a profit of 1 lakh. And then the December 16,000 put option, I bought 750 quantity and I made a loss of 54,000. So I made about 1.1 lakh rupees and I made a loss of about 55,000. So there's a net profit of 55,000. But I must give you some notes here. And number one, I don't think that I have done this exactly on the last expiry. I don't remember exactly when I did it. I think I sold July option around 400 rupees, maybe a few days before or after that. That's number one. Number two, here you can see the quantities are different. I sold 1,250 quantity, but I bought only 750 quantity. So it is not a complete hedge. I did a partial hedge only. Number three, I'm just consolidating my accounts. I'm closing my personal accounts and moving all the money to corporate accounts. And also I'm moving money from other brokers to 5 Paisa broker. And therefore, I'm not holding this position and I have already exited within few days of creating the position. And also I'm planning to buy a property, so I need more money. So for one or the other reason, I closed all the positions in this account. So within few days, of course it's a partial hedge, not a full hedge, and I made 55,000 rupees profit. Okay. So this one is just shown for the purpose of authentication. Other than that, I've shown you from the NSE website. If somebody has done 3 weeks before selling a put option and buying a put option in a different series, they would have made more than 10% profit. So this is one way one can handle the low VIX environment and yet can make a decent profit. There is a famous saying about stock market. Stock market is the place where people with money meet people with experience, and after some time people with experience become people with money and people with money become people with experience. So I like this sentence very much. Okay, so I came to stock market in the initial period with money. Okay, now I become people with experience, and now I become experienced in stock market. Now I'm making more money. So experience matters, but only the experience does not matter. So definitely the skill sets are very important, but at the same time experience is also important. In the initial stages of my trading, there was no YouTube, there was no free learning, but now I can say you people are lucky and we are providing a lot of free content. And of course, the free contents are usually the trailers to invite you to our workshop for the main content. But whatever it is, we provide a lot of free content. So hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you for watching.